Hello everyone, this is Dr. D. Sage Paparao, Head of the Department of Mathematics, SKBR College, Amalapuram. And I welcome you all to my PPT presentation on vector spaces, especially on the linear dependence of vectors and linear independence of vectors. Collection of vectors is either linearly independent or linearly dependent. Linear dependence of vectors are LD vectors. Definition: let V of f be a vector space where f is a field and S is equal to set of alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha n is a finite subset of V. A set S is said to be a linearly dependent set if the linear combination a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus and so on an alpha n equal to 0 bar, where a1, a2 and so on an belongs to f are scalars, then there exists at least one scalar a not equal to 0. A not equal to 0 means a1 not equal to 0 or a2 not equal to 0 and so on an not equal to 0. Suppose gamma is a linear combination of the vectors alpha and beta. Then we write gamma is equal to a alpha plus b beta, where a and b are scalars belongs to f. Then we write a alpha plus b beta plus of minus 1 into gamma equal to 0 bar. Here 0 bar linear combination is a vector. Then we say that alpha, beta and gamma are LD vectors. Here the coefficient of gamma is minus 1 is non-zero. Linear independence of vectors are LI vectors. Definition: let V of f be a vector space where f is a field and S is equal to set of alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha n is a finite subset of V. A set S is said to be a linearly independent set if the linear combination a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus a3 alpha 3 plus and so on an alpha n equal to 0 bar, where a1, a2, a3 and so on an belongs to f are scalars, then a1 equal to 0, a2 equal to 0 and so on an equal to 0. That is, all scalars must be 0. If at least one scalar not equal to 0, then we say that the vectors are linearly dependent vectors. If alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha n are Li vectors, then we say that the set S is Li set. What is the difference between Li vectors and LD vectors? In Li vectors and LD vectors, the first property is common. That is, the linear combination is 0, a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus and so on an alpha n equal to 0 bar, where a1, a2 and so on an are scalars. The second property in LD vectors, there exists at least one scalar which is non-zero. That is, a1 not equal to 0 or a2 not equal to 0 and so on an not equal to 0. Sometimes all scalars may be non-zero. The second property in Li vectors, all scalars must be 0. That is, a1 equal to 0 and a2 equal to 0 and so on an equal to 0. Show that the set S is equal to set of 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1 and 1 1 1 is linearly dependent set in 3-dimensional space R3. Given set is S is equal to set of alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4, where alpha 1 is equal to 1 0 0, alpha 2 is 0 1 0, alpha 3 is 0 0 1 and alpha 4 is 1 1 1. The vector 1 1 1 can be written as 1 1 1 is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 1. That is, 1 1 1 is equal to 1 0 0 plus 0 1 0 plus 0 0 1. That gives alpha 4 is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3. It is a linear combination of alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3. It can be written as 1 into alpha 1 plus 1 into alpha 2 plus 1 into alpha 3 plus of minus 1 into alpha 4 equal to 0 bar. That is, a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus a3 alpha 3 plus a4 alpha 4 equal to 0 bar. Linear combination is 0 bar and all scalars a1 equal to 1 not equal to 0, a2 equal to 1 not equal to 0, a3 equal to 1 not equal to 0 and a4 equal to minus 1 not equal to 0. Here all scalars non-zero. Therefore, the vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4 are LD vectors. Hence, the set S is linearly dependent set. Similar example, show that the set S is equal to set of 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1 is linearly independent set in 3-dimensional space R3. Given set S is equal to set of alpha, beta, gamma, where alpha is equal to 1, 0, 0, beta equal to 0, 1, 0, gamma equal to 0, 0, 1. We prove that S is a linear independent set. First we take the linear combination A alpha plus B beta plus C gamma equal to 0 bar, where A, B, C are scalars, belongs to R. That gives A into 1, 0, 0 plus B into 0, 1, 0 plus C into 0, 0, 1 equal to 0 bar. By using scalar multiplication and addition of vectors, A00 plus 0B0 plus 00C equal to 0 bar is a vector in 3-dimensional space, that is 0, 0, 0. That gives A plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus B plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus C equal to 0, 0, 0. That gives ABC is equal to 0, 0, 0, gives A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 0. Here alpha, beta, gamma are Li vectors since all scalars A is equal to 0, B equal to 0 and C equal to 0. Therefore, the vectors are Li vectors, hence the set S is Li set. Very important result, if two vectors alpha and beta are linearly dependent vectors, then one of them is a scalar multiple of the other. Suppose alpha and beta are LD vectors. By definition, there exist two scalars AB belongs to F such that A alpha plus B beta equal to 0 bar gives A not equal to 0 or B not equal to 0. At least one scalar is non-zero. Suppose A is a non-zero scalar. Then we write A alpha is equal to minus B beta. That gives alpha equal to minus B by A into beta, that is equal to K beta, where K is equal to minus B by A is a scalar. That is alpha is a scalar multiple of beta. Again, suppose B not equal to 0. That gives B beta equal to minus A alpha. That gives beta is equal to minus A by B into alpha equal to K dash into alpha, where K dash equal to minus A by B is a scalar. That gives beta is a scalar multiple of alpha. This means one of alpha and beta is a scalar multiple of the other, hence completed the proof. Show that the set S is equal to set of 1, 2, 0, 0, 3, 1, minus 1, 0, 1 is linearly independent set in V3R, where V3R is equal to R cube space, where R is a field. Given set S is equal to set of alpha, beta, gamma, where alpha equal to 1, 2, 0, beta equal to 0, 3, 1, gamma equal to minus 1, 0, 1. We show that S is Li set. For proving the given set is Li or LD, first we take the linear combination is a 0 vector. Suppose A alpha plus B beta plus C gamma equal to 0 bar, where A, B, C are scalars. That gives A into 1, 2, 0 plus B into 0, 3, 1 plus C into minus 1, 0, 1 equal to 0 bar. By using the scalar multiplication and addition of vectors and equating both sides like terms, we get the system of equations A minus C equal to 0, 2A plus 3B equal to 0, B plus C equal to 0. The determinant of the coefficient matrix is 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 0 equal to 1 not equal to 0. Determinant is non-zero, then we say that the vectors alpha, beta, gamma are Li vectors. Hence the given set is Li set. Hence completed. Similar example, show that the set S is equal to set of 1 minus 2 1 2 1 minus 1 7 minus 4 1 is linearly dependent set in V3R. Given set S is equal to set of alpha, beta, gamma, where alpha equal to 1 minus 2 1, beta equal to 2 1 minus 1, gamma equal to 7 minus 4 1. Similarly, we are proceeding as above problem. We get the system of equations A plus 2B plus 7C equal to 0, minus 2A plus B minus 4C equal to 0, A minus B plus C equal to 0. The determinant of the coefficient matrix is 1, 2, 7, minus 2, 1, minus 4, 1, minus 1, 1, that is equal to 0. Determinant is 0, then we say that the vectors alpha, beta, gamma are LD vectors. Hence the given set S is LD set. Hence completed. Student choice. Try to solve the following sets of vectors in V3R or Li or LD. Important result. If the vectors alpha, beta, gamma are Li vectors in V of R, then show that the vectors alpha plus beta, beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha are also Li vectors in V of R. We show that the vectors alpha plus beta, beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha are Li vectors. For proving the given vectors are Li or Ld, first we take the linear combination is a 0 vector. Suppose A into alpha plus beta plus B into beta plus gamma plus C into gamma plus alpha equal to 0 bar, where A, B, C are scalars belongs to R. We prove that A is equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 0. Here alpha into A plus C plus beta into A plus B plus gamma into B plus C equal to 0 bar. According to the given condition, alpha, beta, gamma are Li vectors, then the coefficients of alpha, beta, gamma must be 0. That gives A plus C equal to 0, A plus B equal to 0, B plus C equal to 0. That gives C equal to minus A, B equal to minus A. Since B plus C equal to 0, minus A equal to 0 gives 2A equal to 0 gives A equal to 0. Since C equal to minus A, that gives C equal to 0. Since B equal to minus A, that gives B equal to 0. All scalars A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 0, then the vectors alpha plus beta, beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha are Li vectors. Hence completed the result. Prove that every subset of a Li set is Li. Let S is equal to set of alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha n be a Li set in the vector space V of F, where F is a field. Consider another set T is equal to set of alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha k, which is a subset of S where 1 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n. We show that T is a Li set. Since T contain k vectors, consider the linear combination A1 alpha 1 plus A2 alpha 2 plus and so on AK alpha k equal to 0 bar, where A1, A2 and so on AK are scalars belongs to F. It can be extended up to n terms by using 0 scalars. Then we write A1 alpha 1 plus A2 alpha 2 plus and so on AK alpha k plus 0 into alpha k plus 1 plus 0 into alpha k plus 2 plus and so on 0 into alpha n equal to 0 bar. It is a linear combination of the n vectors of S equal to 0 bar. Since S is Li set, all the coefficients of alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha n are 0. That is, all scalars must be 0. That is, A1 equal to 0, A2 equal to 0 and so on AK equal to 0, AK plus 1 equal to 0 and so on AN equal to 0. Here k scalars A1 equal to 0, A2 0 and so on AK 0, then the k vectors alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha k are Li vectors. Since T contain k vectors, that is T is a Li set. Hence completed the result. Show that a single non-zero vector set is always Li. Let S is equal to set of alpha such that alpha not equal to 0 bar is a subset of a vector space V of F, where F is a field. We show that S is Li set. S contain only one vector which is non-zero. Consider a linear combination A alpha equal to 0 bar where A is a scalar belongs to F. We prove that A is equal to 0. Suppose A not equal to 0. Since A is a non-zero element in the field F, every non-zero element in the field having multiplicative inverse, that gives A inverse exists and A inverse equal to A inverse A equal to 1. Both sides multiply with A inverse to equation 1, we get A inverse into A alpha equal to A inverse into 0 bar, that gives A inverse A into alpha equal to 0 bar. Here A inverse is a scalar, 0 bar is a vector. By using scalar multiplication, A inverse into 0 bar equal to 0 bar. That gives 1 into alpha equal to 0 bar. That gives alpha equal to 0 bar. This is wrong. Since alpha is a non-zero vector in the set S, hence our supposition A not equal to 0 is false. Therefore, the linear combination A alpha equal to 0 bar gives the scalar A equal to 0. Then the vector alpha is a Li vector in S. Hence, the set S is Li set, hence completed the result. For the benefit of students, I have added some web links here as quick references. They can greatly help students to encourage visual problem solving. Integration of technology with the subject will provide an efficient environment to learning mathematics quickly. Finally, I concluded that this presentation will help students and they will more confident to attempt university semester examinations. If anyone who likes more information or has questions, please feel free to contact me at my mail id dchp876@gmail.com. Thank you all for listening to me so far.